Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Yaya and today we are going to do a really interesting craft. So last week, I don't know if you saw, but my video will be linked down below. We made this really pretty canvas, but there was nothing like I could do it with at the time for that project. So I decided I'm not going to let it go to waste, so we're going to do something else with it. So I have a friend who's from Florida, and I got this little piece off of Etsy for a couple bucks, and they shipped it to me, and I love it. And I got a few other wood cutouts. They are great. I will link them down below as well. And I think we're just gonna, I don't know exactly what we're gonna do, but we're just gonna get some paint. We're gonna make this beautiful, and we're gonna make this girl happy. In this part of the video, we're just going to paint the Florida itself rose gold with a little bit of white, and use 2 different types of brushes. For the darker dots, we use the territorial beige. For the lighter dots, we use territorial beige, white, gold, and rose gold mixed together. And then obviously white to make the outer dots. And just do them carefully and slowly. We want to add some lighter dots, just like some light tans. And then we want to crisscross that white in so we get a really nice X pattern going down the middle. Just a few dots, whatever just gets to that darker brown that we have in the middle. And then for this part, we want to add just some other little dots in between, just some darker tans with a little hint of rose gold, just so that it pops out of the canvas, and then some more white and lighter browns, just so everything can pop a little bit more. Remember, these are very neutral tones. Now we're going to actually work on the little cusp of the Florida. And we want to do a different design, but still keep in the same concept. So we're going to do a little bit of flowers. We're going to do a couple little more Mandala figures. And hopefully it comes out really cute. I really want to know what your guys' thoughts are. Waiting for this beauty to dry. To get this thing beautiful, all right? No judgment zone. Alright guys, so I know we did something crazy. I know that we used nail polish, clear nail polish to put this over it. But I feel like it gives you like a little nice shine, you know what I mean? Just a little bit. But we are finally going to glue it on here. We're going to use hot glue. I'm going to do it like that. Hopefully it comes out really cute. Alright. Make sure the Florida is facing the right way. Because we all know the little handle goes inwards. So if it's going that way, it's wrong. And hot glue gun. And just as much as you can, really. Kind of burned myself, but it's okay. Oh my god. Boom. Boom, like that. Alright guys, thank you for watching my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe. Remember, this is Y's channel. I'm Yaya La Cubana. I'm a one-of-a-kind. This is a one-of-a-kind channel. And please like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. So that I know you guys are watching, so that I know to keep doing this stuff.